You have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the J7, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You know you have to reset the phone. So let me show you how to do it. It's a little bit difficult. Let's get started. All right, let's power the device off. Push power, power off, power off. Oh, but it makes you enter the PIN to power off. So to bypass, force it to turn off, there's a way to push the buttons. It's volume down, it's home, and it's power. Now we're going to do that, and the phone's going to turn off. We have seconds, not even a moment, a blink, to then move our fingers to then, again, home, power, but then volume up to get that Android recovery menu to show up. So let's do it. Let me turn the screen on, and we're going volume down, home, and power. Holding, 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 keep holding, keep holding. I'm getting ready to switch up as soon as it powers off. Keep right there. Had to do it to me, and then let go all buttons right here, and we'll get it'll boot up to the Android recovery menu. All right, it might take you a few turns if you get stuck in the other. Okay, here's the other screen that you might get stuck in if you're not quick enough. Okay, volume down, home, and power. And for whatever reason, I mean, it's kind of easy to move your fingers as soon as maybe the timing's off or something. But if you kept holding and just waiting, oh no, you got the blue screen, the custom OS screen. So all you have to do is follow the directions here. Volume up is continue, which we don't want to do. The volume down is to cancel or restart the phone. So we're going to press volume down. And then it's going to power the phone back on. It's going to loop back on. And then we got to try again with the volume down, home, and power, and as soon as it powers off, jump that thumb back up to volume up. All right, so one more time, we're going to hold the volume down, home, and power. Hold, hold, hold. Getting ready to move my fingers right there. And let go of everything. And now we're at the Android recovery menu. All right, we're going to scroll down with volume keys to wipe data factory reset. And you have to read and understand this red message. If you reset your phone, if you can't remember it and you absolutely have to reset it, you still need your Google, Gmail, or email that you set up the phone with. There's no bypassing that. You 100% still need to log in to your phone with your credentials. All right, I'm going to press power for OK. This is the other thing. It's going to wipe all user data, all pictures, all old messages, all games, apps, everything. There's no way to do this without losing all your data unless you sit down, try to remember your PIN, pattern, or password. All right, with volume keys, yes. There we go. All right, and now it's going to take a minute. It could take minutes or just seconds. Data wipe is complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system. Press power for OK. Hey, you know the reliability of Samsung. If it's time for you to upgrade, which it might be, here are my recommendations for some of the newer Samsungs in my YouTube affiliate store. Thank you for supporting the channel. Hey, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.